Education is expensive, try ignorance. No? Subukan ninyong wala kayong alam. Because no education, no foundation, and nowhere to go. Education is what survives when what has been learned has been forgotten. So, I encourage everyone to continue your education. Huwag po kayong tumigil. And let me tell you a story of how education can change the life not only of a student, but also a life of a teacher. Nang ibig sabihin, ang pagtuturo at ang pag-aaral ay nakapagbibigay ng pagbabago. This is the story. Miss Jennifer Aquino was a school teacher who would say to her students every year, "Boys and girls, I love you all the same. I don't play favorites in my class." Of course, she was not being completely truthful because teachers do have favorites. Sino ba mga paborito sa inyo dito, mga teacher?